Pressure the ball game. Dogads is back on the court.
Depensa kayo, sir. Green ball. Ready.
Kalinisan is empowering the ball. Kalinisan pass to Reyes. Reyes reverse shot good for 2 ones by Reyes. Nice pass by Kalinisan. Villanas. Pass to Rasta. Sorry po, sorry.
Technical ang committee.
Tinglasan. Pass to Kalinisan. Kalinisan pinapagawan dito agad. Uy! Landicho. Pass to Velasco. Fakes. Pass to Kalinisan. Kalinisan for 2. No good. Rebound by Rasta. Rasta pass to Dogads. Dogads for 2. No good. Rebound by Villanas. Villanas follow-up shots and lays it up.
Nagpat...
Landicho. Landicho. Out of bounds. Turn over. Villanas. Villanas pass to Dogads. Dogads for 2. No good. Rebound by Hinagpisan. Rebound by Kalinisan. Kalinisan pass to Reyes. Reyes bumps. Reyes. No look pass to Tinglasan. Pass to Reyes again. No good. Rebound by Salazar to Villanas. 2 on 2. 2 on 3. Lays up for 2. No good. Rebound by Villanas again. His 2-pointer. Overshots. Rebound by Landicho. Pass to Reyes. Reyes fakes. Reyes shots. No good. Rebound by Reyes again. Reyes for 2 good for 2 ones by Reyes. 22-28. Villanas. Villanas crossing over. For 2. No good. Rebounded by Salazar. No good. Rebounded by Reyes. Out of bounds. Bombay Club's ball.
Receive, bola.
Kalinisan. Out of bounds. Turns it over.
Sir Morris. Wala pang highlight, sir.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Hinagpisan, paso Salazar, paso Rasta, back to Hinagpisan, Hinagpisan for 2. Good for 2 points by Hinagpisan.
May highlights na.
Hinagpisan. Paso Villanas reverse. Good for 2 points by Villanas. Assisted by Hinagpisan. No good. Rebounded by Tinglasan. Tinglasan for 2. No good again. Rebounded by Rasta. Intercepted by Tinglasan. Tinglasan takes. Pero pinasa pa din. Rebounded by Tinglasan again. To Reyes. Reyes for 2. Good for 2 points by Reyes. Nakakapagod ang play na yun. Salazar. Shots for 2. Good for 2 points by Salazar.
Highlights.
Kalinisan na Isash. Oh, pala yan. Osval Rep. Jersey number. Nagpisan. Number 1.
Nananakit si sir. First throw, good. Second and final throw. Good.
Good for 1 point by Kalinisan. Remaining time 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Salazar. Pass to Villenas. Pass to Rasta. Hindi nasalo ni Rasta.
Highlight ni Rasta, hindi nasalo.
Tinglasan. To Landicho. Landicho. Pass to Kalinisan. Reserved by Kalinisan. 10 to shoot. Kalinisan pass to Landicho. To Tinglasan. What a nice pass, but foul converted. Inagpisan. Reserved by Landicho again. Landicho to good for 2 points by Kalinisan. That's 5 minutes. Gado. Let's up 2, but there is a foul. Landicho. Landicho, that is your first personal foul and the first team foul. 2 throws awarded to Gado. Sabret. No good, rebound by Sabino. Kalinisan. Reserve by Salazar. Salazar pumasok. No good again. Rebound by Landicho. Sabino good for 2 points by Sabino, assisted by Landicho. Garcia. Can you open it? Gado, patay sa foul again. Who's foul red? Landicho, Landicho, that is your second personal foul on the second team foul.
Cellphone, bunuti.
Good for 1 point by Gado. Good for another point by Gado. 36-30. Kalinisan. Lazy hero for 2. No good. Rebounded by Apollo. Pass to Garcia. Walang kasape. Ayan na si Gato. Garcia lays up for 2. Good for 2 points by left-handed man. Landicho. Landicho to Kalinisan. His 3-pointer. Good for 3 points by Baby Oil.
Baby oil.
Apollo. Good for another 2 points by Apollo. Sabino, step back 3 points by Sabino. Wow, no look pass to Apollo. Rebounded by Garcia, but converted it into points. Landicho. Pass to Cielo again. For 3 again. Take a run shot. What a nice shot, but it doesn't go in. Rebounded by Salazar. Salazar to Gato. Gato fakes. Gato shoots. Gato. Good rebound by Salazar. No, by Sabino. Pass to Landicho. Intercepted by Apollo. Salazar good for 2 points. Charge timeout. Monday Club. 44-36.
Kulang pa yung mga yan. Wala si Perez at ano. Wala si Perez at yung isa. Pederoso. Si Derequito din. Mananalo yan kung nandun yung mga. Mainit na si Perez. Mainit na maglaro si Perez. Oo. Kasi silipin mo yung stats niya. Shoot ng mga
Leading
perimeter.
players of our rebounds on Monday Club, Sabino. On assist, Landicho. Resume the ball game.
Mali ang video pag naka-brightness.
Sabino. Paso Landicho. Landicho to Sabino. Shooting Lasa, no good. Rebounded by Apolong. Apolong break pass. Apolong intercepted by Landicho. Landicho passes Sabino and a easy shot for Sabino. Last 1 minute and 46 seconds. Garcia. Paso Lavarias. Paso Garcia, fakes Garcia. Pass for Lavarias to Villanas for 2, no good, rebounded by Sabino. Reserved by Garcia. Ay, Villanas pala. Good for 2 points by Villanas.
Ha?
Sino po yung 46?
Elas.
Landicho. 1 minute and 10 seconds. No good. Rebounded by Dinglasan. Pasok Kalinisan. His 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Lavarias. Out of bounds. Same ball. Elas, main center.
Sir.
Garcia. No look pass to Villanas. Converted. No. Rebounded by Apolong. Apolong retrieved for 2 balls by Apolong.
Time.
Landicho. Pass to Kalinisan. Is 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Lavarias. Lavarias stops. Pass to Apolong. No good. Rebounded by Apolong. Good for 2 balls by Apolong. Dinglasan. Kalinisan. Paso Landicho to Kalinisan. His 3-pointer again. No good. Rebounded by Apolong. Paso Garcia. Paso Villanas. Villanas for 2, good for 2 points by Villanas. Charge timeout. Ay, wala na palang oras. Kala ko timeout. My birds.
Break!